Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered why Berkshire Hathaway's CEO Warren Buffett's name gets brought up so much on the Wall Street, it's because of his impressive investing track record. He has delivered an annual average returns of 20% since the mid-1960s for his shareholders. In aggregate, we are talking about a return of more than 2.8 million%. What's even more amazing is that Buffett hasn't done anything the average investors couldn't do to net these huge gains. He focuses on a few sectors and industries that he's interested in, buys companies with clear-cut competitive advantages, and most importantly, hangs on to those stakes for a very long time. Till June 2021, Berkshire Hathaway's invested assets were tied up only in 10 stocks. Let's see what these 10 stocks are. The first stock in the list is Apple. Tech kingpin Apple makes up about 38% of Warren Buffett's portfolio and has been dubbed as Berkshire Hathaway's third business. Apple offers some of the strongest branding in the world. It is the clear leader in smartphones in the US and many other parts of the world, and has been pivoting to higher margin services under the leadership of CEO Tim Cook. Though iPhone sales remain Apple's top product, services becoming a larger percentage of total sales will help remove the revenue lumpiness associated with the new product launches. The second stock in the list is Bank of America. Bank stocks have long been Buffett's favorite place to put Berkshire's money work. Bank of America is Berkshire's largest bank holding with more than 14% of invested assets. Bank of America has done an excellent job of controlling its non-interest expenses by consolidating branches and emphasizing digital banking. It's also in line to benefit more than any other money central bank from an eventual rise in interest rates. The third stock on the list is American Express. Payment processor and lender American Express is Buffett's third largest and third longest held stock. After 28 years of holding American Express, Berkshire Hathaway's position has grown to almost $25 billion in value. This is a cyclical company that benefits from long periods of economic expansion, as well as its ability to attract affluent clientele. These well-to-do clients are less likely to change their spending habits when economic hiccups arise, which often means less worry about delinquencies for Amex. The fourth stock on the list is Coca-Cola. Speaking of long-tenured holdings, beverage behemoth Coca-Cola is the longest held stock in Buffett's portfolio. Coca-Cola operates in all but except two countries worldwide, that is North Korea and Cuba, and has more than 20 brands generating at least $1 billion in annual sales. Thanks to its top-notch marketing team, it's also the best-known consumer goods brand. Coke has allied itself with well-known brand ambassadors and is embracing digital advertising and social media as a way to get its message to a younger generation. The fifth stock in the list is Kraft Heinz. There is a little question that Kraft Heinz is the oddball holding in Buffett's top 10. That's because Buffett admits to Heinz overpaying for Kraft foods, and the combined company is largely underperforming in recent years. This includes a greater than $15 billion goodwill write-down in 2019. While the pandemic has helped boost demand for packaged foods, Kraft Heinz's balance sheet is still bogged down by high debt levels and goodwill. In short, Berkshire Hathaway is sort of stuck with its 325.6 million shares. The sixth stock in the list is Verizon Communications. Telecommunications giant Verizon is a fairly recent addition to Berkshire Hathaway's portfolio. Although it's been bought hand over fist in the previous 2 quarters by Buffett and his team, the lure of Verizon is likely its 4.4% dividend yield, which is arguably one of the safest high-yield payouts on the planet. Verizon should benefit immensely from the rollout of 5G infrastructure. It's been a decade since the last major upgrade to download speeds, which suggests that a multi-year tech upgrade cycle will lead to a higher margin data consumption. The seventh stock in the list is US Bank Corp. Next to Bank of America, US Bank Corp is Buffett's favorite bank stock. It's a company that regularly trades at premium to its book value. And for good reason, US Bank Corp has seen its users embrace technology, with the percentage of consumer loans completed digitally skyrocketing over the past 2 years. Being able to consolidate its physical branches while also avoiding riskier derivative investments that have gotten US money center banks in trouble has helped US Bank Corp to some of the highest return on assets among big banks. The eighth stock on the list is Moody's. Credit agency and analytics company Moody's is yet another top 10 holdings that's been held for longer than 2 decades. With an initial cost basis of just $10, Berkshire Hathaway is sitting on an unrealized gain of better than 3,300%, and this isn't accounting for dividends. Historically, low lending rates have kept Moody's credit rating segment busy, while volatile trading markets are boosting demand for Moody's analytics. It's hard to envision Buffett ever selling this stake. The ninth stock in the list is BYD. Back in 2008, Buffett acquired 225 million shares of China-based electric vehicle manufacturer, BYD, for a mere of $1.03 per share. In March, the company sold 16,301 EVs, which is more than higher-profile competitors like NIO and XPeng delivered on a combined basis in the same month. with the Society of Automotive Engineers of China forecasting that half of all new vehicle sales in 2035 will be empowered by alternative energy. BYD in pole position to disrupt the largest auto market in the world. The 10th stock on the list is DaVita. Rounding out the top 10 is kidney dialysis services company DaVita. Buffett's fascination with the company is likely a numbers play. Over time, an aging US population is going to become more reliant on kidney dialysis services for maintenance purpose. As the clear leader in providing these services, DaVita should see a steady uptick in demand and reimbursement for its services. It's really hard to envision Buffett ever selling this stake. Thank you for watching the video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video.